Realme is gearing up hard to launch its upcoming flagship smartphone, which will be called Realme GT Master Edition. And you know what, guys? The first ever exclusive renders and some prominent specs of this phone have already been revealed in a recent leak. So guys, in today's video, I will be sharing 10 interesting leaks about this phone right here with you. So if you want to know everything, keep watching this video till the end. But before that, if you are new to our channel and you love watching our videos, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also please press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. Before we start talking about the leaks about this phone, let me inform you that Realme GT Master Edition is different from Realme GT Camera Flagship. So in today's video, we will only be talking about the Realme GT Master Edition. Also guys, whatever specs we'll be sharing with you in this video, they have been suggested by the leaks only, nothing has been confirmed yet. First of all, let me tell you that Tipster on Leaks has collaborated with 91 Mobiles once again and brought us the first ever exclusive renders of the Realme GT Master Edition, and it looks absolutely great. The render shows off the GT Master Edition in 3 finishes. The first 2 are in plain white and the black color with a matte finish, while the third is a fox leather finish with a unique pattern on the rear side. The phone has been designed in the collaboration with the famous Japanese designer Naoto Fukusawa, and in fact, this has been already hinted by the Realme India head Madhav Seth. The exclusive renders of the phone show that 3 of the models of this phone come with a very premium and a very impressive design. The phones will reportedly come up with a rectangular camera module that houses 3 camera sensors and an LED flash. The bottom of the frame sees a Type-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack and a speaker. The power button is on the right side, while the volume keys and the SIM tray can be seen on the left. Coming on to its display, this phone is likely to feature 6.43 inches of Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz of high refresh rate and in-display fingerprint scanner. When it comes to processor, the OnLeaks report says that this phone is likely to feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 5G chipset. On the other hand, a fresh leak suggests that this phone has been spotted on Geekbench, which says that this can come up with the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So there is not much clarity about its processor right now. Realme GT Master Edition will reportedly offer up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. And when we talk about cameras, this phone is likely to feature triple rear cameras which may have 64 megapixels of primary camera, 8 megapixels of ultra-wide lens and 2 megapixels of depth sensor. And for selfies and video chats, you are likely to get 32 megapixels of selfie snapper. And coming on to its battery life, leaks further say that this phone is likely to feature 4300 mAh battery with 65 watts of super dart fast charging support. And when we talk about the pricing of this phone, the leaks further suggest that the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant of this phone is likely to be launched at a price of Rs 35,000. On the other hand, 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant of the phone is likely to come up at a price of Rs 40,000. But guys, you have to remember that this price have been suggested in the leaks only. So if you ask me when this phone will be launching, let me inform you. As per the leaks, Realme GT Master Edition will reportedly be launching on July 21st in China. And nothing has been said much about its global launch yet. And here comes the most interesting leak, guys. A recent report suggests that Realme will reportedly be announcing the Realme GT Explorer Edition alongside with the launch of Realme GT Master Edition. But unfortunately, no further details about this phone have come up yet. So guys, this was all about the Realme GT Master Edition. Let me know in the comments how did you like the phone. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, you keep watching Mr. Phone. This is me, Gunjan, signing off.